her on Facebook. Marlene, the plant lady, that's where she is when she's not on our Wacky Weekend show. A couple questions we have received so far. First one says, my tomato plants have curled leaves. I sprayed for mites and those are gone. What could be causing this?
Okay, so I actually took a look at this picture a little bit earlier just because there's a lot going on here. So yeah, it looked like you did have some mite damage at the top. So whether or not you said for sure they were mites, you sprayed them, you got rid of them. So, so curling of tomato leaves. Curling up could be a few things. It could be uneven watering, temperature stress. We did have a spike in temperatures. It could cause the curling. Now, what I'm concerned about is there are a few soil pathogens that will kill tomatoes, and one of those is verticillium wilt. And I was looking at the curling leaves, but I'm also noticing the brown and discoloration in the leaf. Now, verticillium leaf, and how I always remember this, is it starts forming a V at the tip of the leaf going in, and then the leaves start curling. It's a little too soon to tell if that's what's going on. The whole entire limb and branch will start dying, and then followed by the whole plant. So what I would do is prune off the sections where you do notice the curling with the brown. Now, you also mentioned there could be some nitrogen, too much nitrogen. Yes, too much nitrogen can cause burning of leaves, but not necessarily the curling. So at this point, I would say just watch and monitor, and always make sure your watering is pretty even with tomatoes. But it's still a beautiful plant. So at this point, I can't say, oh, it's one thing or the other. Just watch for it, see if it continues, but remove as you see it occurring.
Okay, this is an interesting thing I haven't seen before. It says, viewer says, I have these shrubs and they're starting to separate. Can you tell me what causes this and how to prevent it?
Okay, so that's a sweet pea shrub. It's pretty common and popular because it blooms a lot. It forms normally a nice tidy round ball. But what happens to a lot of plants is when they don't get yearly pruning and they get bigger and bigger, they start flopping over. So the separation is not necessarily growing into other plants, it's the weight of it. So don't do anything now necessarily, because if you expose all the new growth to full heat that we're going to get, it could burn, and you want to enjoy those flowers. But in the fall, go ahead and cut the majority of foliage back to where there's green. Certain plants, like your lavenders and uriops and rosemary, never want to be pruned past any green. They will not come back. So this plant, I have experience with both, where I've cut one back down below where there was no green, and I did lose it. And I've also pruned to where there's green, and it grew back beautifully. So this plant starts off in a nice tidy round ball, but with age it is going to flop over. So that's what I would do, but wait till fall. You don't want to prune off the flowers.
Happens to all of us with age.